Siyam na albayana ang nagpatiribayan sa Miss Universe Philippines-Albay, Kasubanggi. May kanya-kanyang pambato ang banwa ang kangkamali.
April Neo Fermani, 25, from the heritage town of Albay, Kamali.
Daraga,
Elaine Quezon Bernales, 23, Municipality of Daraga!
Libon,
Shana Aloy Sagalan Luzga, 23, Municipality of Libon.
Uwas,
Mona Patrice Oxima Gamit, 21, Municipality of Uwas.
Malinaw,
Maryland Rega Lagang Bagsal, Malinaw, Albay.
Santo Domingo,
Sama Ras, 18, Bara ng Santo Domingo.
Legazpi City,
Merry Christmas, Portugal Ariote, 23, Legazpi City.
Tabaco City,
Rani Lakshmi Menamandado, 24, City of Tabaco.
Asinligao City.
Iron Ring Hizog, 24, City of Ligao.
Apwera sa Kagayunan, luminataw man ang kaseksihan ng mga kandidata sa swimsuit competition. Nagpabunggahan man ang mga ini sa provincial attire as in long gown. Dangan nagpatiribayan sa question and answer portion.
So, as a beauty queen, I believe the true elegance lies in the grace with which we navigate life challenges and support each other on this beautiful journey.
And I swear to you all that if I win this crown, I will make all of you proud at the national stage, bring forth women empowerment, and always speak with feistiness and fearlessness and bravery.
I am a woman of purpose and of power, a woman who wants to educate people despite of the challenges and the struggles that they have faced. And I believe that as an Albayana, I am ready to take the universe. Thank you.
Sa huri na ay uli kang 23 anyos na si Elaine Bernales kan Daraga-Albay ang titulo ng Miss Universe Philippines-Albay. Siya man ang best in swimwear as in long gown.
Actually pursued or joined Miss Universe Philippines because for the cause I'm involved with, which is the animal welfare. And I want people to actually be educated about animal negligence. And right now, I'm actually planning to donate part of my wins to that organization because
Ginibo ang kompetisyon sa Sarong Dakulang Hotel sa siyudad ng Legazpi. Sigun sa Executive Chairman kan Miss Universe Philippines-Albay, pigkundusir nindaan nasambit na pageant nga ni mahiling kung sisi ang pinakakarapat dapat na magrepresentar kang rehiyon sa nasambit na prestiyosong beauty pageant na pinatunayan ni candidate number 2, Elaine Bernales.
Our edge is hindi tayo kilala. But we will let them know us by our preparations. Kung ano yung magiging preparation natin, it will prepare Elaine to compete with Atisa and the other candidates. And of course, we are Albayano, we are Oragon. So,
Mientras tanto, binistuman bilang second runner-up si Mona Patrice gamit kan banwaan in Uwas. Nayuli niya man ang best provincial attire. Mantang first runner-up naman si Rani Lakshmi Dado kan Tabaco City. Sa Mayo, nakatala na ikundusir ang Miss Universe National. Para sa mga baretang tatak Bicol, Mae Arango.